Welcome back, children. So we learned how to round numbers to the nearest 10 and how to round numbers to the nearest 100. We shall do some questions based on that. Okay. So in your notebook, you just copy this. Rounding numbers. I've already told you the number that comes in the middle. We took 35. All these numbers we took. What did we do? The number at the midway point is always rounded to the next longer number. That is, it will go to the next 10 or next 100. The number which comes in the middle always goes to the next 10 and next 100. Okay. Let's copy this. First question. Round to the nearest 10. First question in that, 67. 67. Yes, where will 67 go? First you have to find out 67 comes between which two tens. Find out two numbers from tens table. 67. You can do it in your rough column. 67. First digit is 6. So your first 10 is 60. After 6, the next 10 is 70. After 6 you have 7. So the next 10 is 70. So 67 is coming between 60 and 70. Yes. Now you will take the last digit 7. Where will 7 go? Will it go to 60 or will it go to 70? Yes, 7 will go to 70. So 67 is rounded to 70. I told you numbers from 1 to 4 will go to the first 10 and numbers from 5 to 9 will go to the second 10. So you can see 7 is coming in this section. So 67 will be rounded to 70. Okay, children. 92. Again, tell me, 92 comes between which two tens? First 10, your first number is 9, so it is first 10 is 90. After 90, which is the next 10, it is 100. 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. So 92 comes between 90 and 100. Now you take the digit in the ones place, you have 2. Where will 2 go? Yes, 2 will go to 90 because 2 is in the first session. So 92 is rounded to 90. Clear, children? Fifteen comes between, first digit is 1, so 10, next 10 is 20. Yes, now where will 15 go? 15 is in the middle. What did we say? The middle number always goes to the longer number. The next 10, 15 always goes to the longest number. So 15 is rounded to 20. Clear, children? Now I'll give you a 3-digit number here. 119, a 3-digit number. So what you will do is, you will take only 19 because we are rounding it to 10, right? So we take only the last 2 digits. Take 19 and see, 19 comes between which two tens? Again here it is 1, so it is coming between 10. Next 10 is 20. Okay, children. So 19 comes between 10 and 20. Is that clear to you? Now you take the number in the ones digit. It is 9. Yes. So where will 9 go? It will always go to the second 10. Which is our second 10 here? 20. So 19 is rounded to 20. But children, you have a 1 left over here that we have not taken. That one you have to write it in the answer. And then 19 is rounded to 20. So 119 is rounded to 120. Clear, children? We have taken only last 2 digits because our question is round to the nearest 10. So we don't have to be bothered about the third digit. That is the number comes in the hundreds place. Okay? Give you one more question. 959. Again, you don't have to consider 9, take only 59. Okay? Tell me 59 comes between which two tens? Your first number is 5. So 50. Then next one is 60. Next 10 is 60. Now 59, as we know, is very close to 60. So 59 is rounded to 60. Again, you have a 9 here in the hundreds place. That 9 you have to write it. Please don't forget. Then 59 is rounded to 60. So 959 is rounded to 960. Clear, children? So even if you have a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number, if the question is round to the nearest 10, you need to consider only the last 2 digits. Find out the answer. Rest of the digits you have to write it in the answer. Okay? Try 2 questions on your own. Okay, children? So you've got 346, 555. Once again, consider only the last 2 digits. Decide where will it be rounded to. And then when you're writing the answer, don't forget to take the number in the hundreds place. Clear, children? Okay. Now, we'll go to round to the nearest 100. Round to the nearest 100. 446. Again, first you have to take the 2 hundreds, so that 446 is between those 2 hundreds. Can you tell me which are those 2 hundreds? Yes. First you have 4, so it is between 400. After 400, the next number is 500. After 4, it is 5. So, after 400, the next 100 is 500. Then, you take 46, the last 2 digits, 46. Where will 46 go? I have told you in the beginning, 0, 1 to 49 will go to the first 100. 50 to 99 will go to the next 100. So, where is 46 coming? 46 is coming in the first session. That means 446 is rounded to 400. 446 is rounded to 400. Clear, children? $649. Again, 649. First you have to take the 200s. First number is 6, so 600. Next number is 700. Okay? Now take 49. Where is 49 going? It will go to the first 100. So that means 649 is rounded to 600. Clear, children? $920. Okay? 920. 920 comes between which 2 hundreds? First 100 is, you have 9 here, so the first 100 is 900. After 900, which is the next 100? 9 into 100 is 900. 10 into 100 is 1000. After 900, the next 100 is 1000. Okay? So you have 920 here. Now you consider the last 2 digits. 20. As I told you, 0, 1 to 49 will go to the first 100. 50 to 99 will go to the next 100. Where is 20 coming? 20 is coming in the first session. So 920 will go to 900. Clear, children? 880. Again, 880. First you have to check this 880 comes between which two hundreds? Which two hundreds? 880 comes between which two hundreds? It comes between 800 and 900. 8 first number, so 800, the next 100 is 900. Now you check the last two digits, 80. As I told you, 0, 1 to 49 goes to the first 100. 50 to 99 goes to the 50 to 99 goes to the next 100. So where is 80 coming? 80 is coming in the second session. So 880 is rounded to 900. Okay children, clear? So you do 4 questions for homework. Okay, 980, 306, 112. First, you have to decide the two hundreds. 980, first number is 9, so 980 is between 900 and the next 100 is 1000. Okay children, 980 is between 900 and 1000. Then you have 80. 80 comes in the second session, isn't it children? You have 0, 1 to 49 and 50 to 99. 80 comes over here. So that means it is rounded to the next 100. Which is our next 100 here? It was 1000. Okay? 980 is between 900 and 1000. So 980 is rounded to 1000. So here the answer will be 1000. Clear children? Rest 2 questions, do it on your own. Okay children? Thank you.